Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Coastal Payrolls account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Coastal Payrolls account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.coastalpayroll.com and make a search. The official page of Coastal Payrolls account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, tap on Client Login option. On the next page, enter your username and tap on Continue. Enter a password associated with your Coastal Payrolls account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot My Password option. This is how you can log into your Coastal Payrolls account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.